In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and fill Mailchimp groups with Jotform. This tutorial is perfect for those looking to streamline their email marketing efforts by seamlessly integrating these two powerful tools. Let's dive in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to begin by logging into Jotform. If you don't have an account yet, head over to the Jotform website and sign up. It's quick and ensures you have access to all the features we'll be using today. Once logged in, it's time to create a new form which will serve as the primary collection point for your audience's details. You have the choice to start from scratch or utilize one of the many templates available. Just click on Create Form and decide whether to go with a blank slate or find a template that fits your needs. Now, it's crucial to add the necessary fields to your form. At the very least, you'll want to include fields for name and email, as these are essential for your Mailchimp campaigns. But don't stop there, consider adding a field that allows users to select which group they want to join. This can be achieved by adding either a multiple choice or drop down field to your form. Using the multiple choice field offers flexibility for users to select more than one preference, whereas the drop down option restricts the choice to one. Customize these fields to mirror the group categories you've set up in Mailchimp, ensuring a smooth transition between the two platforms. Moving on to integration, we need to connect Jotform to Mailchimp. Head over to the Form Builder's Settings tab and click on Integrations. Here you can search for Mailchimp from the list provided. When you find it, click to begin the integration process. You'll need to authenticate the connection. This involves clicking Authenticate and granting the necessary permissions for Jotform to interact with your Mailchimp account. Make sure you're selecting the correct Mailchimp account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Next, we're going to map the Jotform fields to their corresponding fields in Mailchimp. This step is essential as it ensures all collected data flows correctly into your Mailchimp platform, allowing you to efficiently manage your contacts. With everything set up, it's time to publish your form. This action makes your form live and ready to accept responses. You'll be able to share this form via a direct link or embed it on your website, making it accessible to your target audience. And that's it. With your form published and integrated, you're now equipped to seamlessly fill Mailchimp groups with data collected via Jotform, enhancing your email marketing strategy effortlessly. Thanks for watching and happy form building.